and welcome to my YouTube channel, where every episode I take a physics topic and hopefully explain it in a really simple and understandable way. Now, some episodes are just going to be fun physics facts, but most I'm going to try and tie in to the current school curriculum. So when that's the case, I'm going to put the key stage in the episode title. I thought I'd cover the conservation of energy today, because in last week's Key Stage 3 episode, I covered the basics of energy and energy transfer. So if you'd like some extra background to help with this episode, then make sure you go ahead and check out that video first. Like I said in last week's episode, there are lots of different stores of energy, but they must all follow the principle of the conservation of energy. Energy can be stored, transferred between stores, and dissipated, but it can never be created or destroyed. That's it. That's the conservation of energy. But the annoying thing is that when energy is transferred between stores, not all of the energy is transferred usefully into the store that you actually want it to go to. Some energy is always dissipated when an energy transfer takes place. And energy is only useful when it's transferred from one store to a useful store. But, like I said, not all of the energy transferred makes it to the useful store. Some of the input energy is lost or wasted. Imagine you have a device, and going into the device is the energy input, and coming out to the other side is the useful energy output. But there will also be a third arrow coming out the side with wasted energy, unfortunately. So, the law of the conservation of energy means that the total energy input equals the useful energy output plus wasted energy. And the less energy wasted, the more efficient the device is said to be. So, the bigger the energy output arrow and the smaller the energy wasted arrow, the better. I mentioned the word efficient there. So I'm going to expand on that and explain what efficiency really means, especially in terms of energy. As explained, energy is lost during an energy transfer, and the less energy that is lost, the more efficient the transfer is. Efficiency can be calculated using the equation efficiency equals useful energy output divided by total energy output, all multiplied by 100. So if you just did the division, then you would get your answer as a decimal, but efficiency is usually given as a percentage, and therefore we multiply the division by 100. So all devices will have an efficiency, and because there's always some wasted energy, the efficiency can never be equal to or higher than 100%, unfortunately. Now, how do we get the values for the useful and total energy output? Well, thanks to the conservation of energy, we know that the total energy output will be the same as the total energy input, aka the total energy supplied to the device or machine will be equal to the total energy output, and that's the figure we use for the denominator. To get the numerator, the useful energy output, this is how much useful energy the machine or device delivers. Exam questions may give you this, or they may just give you the amount of energy that the machine wastes. At this point, you'd find the difference between the total energy output and the wasted energy, and this would give you the useful energy output. That's it! All you need to know about energy efficiencies! I'm just going to finish off by talking a bit about the wasted energy. This is energy that's output by a device, but it's transferred to less useful stores. These less useful stores tend to be classed as heating, light, or sound. No offense to you guys though. And this wasted energy is transferred away from the device into its surroundings. As a result, the energy spreads out and becomes less concentrated, and therefore it's dissipated. But remember, according to the conservation of energy, the total amount of energy still stays the same. So the energy will still be there, just in less useful ways, and it can't be collected back in again. Thank you for listening! I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you want to learn about other cool physics facts, then please like and subscribe and watch all of my other videos. And if you want to learn about a specific topic, please leave a comment below and I'll try to do a video for you.